On this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the vibration strength on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Sound and Haptics. This will take you to the setting for your iPhone sound and vibration. In the Sound and Haptic setting, you can scroll down and then select the type of notification you want to adjust the vibration for. You can choose from options like ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, send mail, etc. For example, I'm going to select ringtone and then tap on vibration on the top option here. Once you selected the notification type and you tap on vibration, you can select from the option list, for you can choose or select from all the option lists that iPhone provide for you, like accent or maybe alert, heartbeat, quick, etc. I'm trying one by one. For example, I'm trying alert. I can feel the vibration on my phone. Then I'm trying SOS. I can feel the difference between the first vibration and the second vibration. Or if you want custom the vibration, you can tap on create new vibration here. You can create custom vibration for any notification you want. You can tap on here. You can customize the vibration pattern and strength to your liking by tap on this and then release it to give a pause. After you're done, you can stop and then you can preview the vibration by tap on play. If you feel satisfied with your custom vibration, you can save it by tap save here. And then don't forget to create a name for your new vibration. For example, I'm naming it test. Then I'm tap save again. Then you can see at the custom list, we have a new vibration named test. You can select on this. Once you have created your new vibration, you can now use this custom vibration for any notification you want. And that's it. Now you know how to increase the vibration strength on your iPhone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and bye.